Getting from a blank screen to a photorealistic render used to take days, if not weeks. Now, with AI, it only takes a couple minutes, but that's only if you have the right workflow and the right tools. I'll show you the exact settings, prompt structures, and post-processing tips that'll get you exact results using only AI. And if you want the full AI workflow system for architects, you can find that linked in the description below. It'll give you all the prompt templates that I used, and it'll tell you the complete workflow. First, let's start in ChatGPT. Copy and paste the prompt that's linked in the description below. Let's go through and fill in all of the brackets. Under my concept, I'm going to write luxury home on the edge of a cliff in New Zealand. It is a home for a small family of 4. They have a beautiful view of the ocean, and the ocean waters are quite rough. The home is in the style of Zaha Hadid, and the exterior of the home is mostly glass with several elements of white luxury structure. And the exterior of the home incorporates a lot of glazing for ample amount of natural light. For optional details, I'm going to say Renzo piano influenced architectural details. For the architectural style, I'm going to say modern, minimal, and influenced by Zaha Hadid and Renzo piano. For materials, I want to use glass, concrete, wood, and steel. For lighting time of day, I'm going to say bright summer day with a lot of sun. God rays coming through the clouds. Camera angle, I'm going to say eye level, wide angle, architectural photograph. For the mood, I'm going to say serene and dramatic. You can also leave any of these blank and ChatGPT will fill it in for you. For the climate, I'm going to say clear, bright, sunny day with birds in the sky. Under entourage, I'm going to say beautiful vegetation and modern trending landscaping. Flowers and vegetation where applicable. For the output image ratio, I want 16:9. After you're done filling in all the brackets, go ahead and press enter or send. This will output a prompt that we will then copy and paste in the Midjourney. After ChatGPT has created the prompt, hover over copy response and click it. Now let's head over into Midjourney. Click the create tab and paste in the prompt that you just copied. After you're done, press enter or click submit. I recommend going ahead and clicking rerun a couple times. This will give you more options. Scroll through the different outputs and figure out which one you like the most. My favorite is going to be this one here. I'm going to hover over the download button in the top right and click it. This is the output from that prompt. Now I'm going to open up Photoshop. You can open up MS Paint or Bluebeam or whatever photo editing software that you currently have. Open the image that Midjourney just created. And what we're going to do is we're going to circle or draw squares around what we want to edit within the image. I'm going to use the rectangle tool, and I'm going to draw rectangles over 3 areas of the image that I want to edit. First, I want to add a more dramatic sky. So I'm going to draw a box around the sky. Next, I want more vegetation and more growth in front of the building here. So I'm going to draw a box around this area. And lastly, I don't really like the way the front of the building looks right here. I like these columns, but I want them to go down the entire facade of this building and to be spaced out correctly according to the glazing. So I'm going to draw a box around this area as well. I'm going to select my text tool and write a number 1 inside of this box, color it red, and make it larger. Next, I'm going to put a number 2 inside of this box at the bottom left, and then I'm going to put a number 3 inside of this box. These are the 3 areas that we want Nano Banana to edit. Let's go to File, save a copy. Let's call this our redlined image, and then save it. Let's head over to Google Nano Banana, change it to Pro, create image, and now copy and paste the prompt that's linked in the description below for the Nano Banana edits. The first image that we upload is going to be the original image that Midjourney spit out. The second image that we upload is going to be the redline one. Now that our 2 images are uploaded, let's go down into the bottom of the prompt here where it says area 1, 2, and 3. These 3 areas will directly correlate to the 3 boxes that are drawn on the image. Nano Banana will see area 1. It then will look into the image and find where that area is and make those edits to that region. For area 1, I wanted the sky to be more dramatic. Make the sky much more cinematic and dramatic. I want God rays coming through the clouds. It is a bright sunny day. Area 2 was the vegetation in the front. I'm going to say, I want the vegetation in front of this building to be mature and colorful. I want more natural vegetation and include a tree. The last area, area 3, was the facade in front of the building. I like the columns on the left-hand side, although they do not look correct or realistic. I want to space columns out across the facade of the building, and I want the glazing to correlate to those columns. The columns and the glazing should be to the correct scale of the building and look realistic. After you've done filling in all the brackets, go ahead and press enter or click send. This is the image that Midjourney created, and this is our edited image. Right now, I don't like how dark the sky is, so I want to brighten it up some. Simply type in, I want the sky to be brighter and more fun. Press enter. And this is the output. You can repeat the process of redlining the image as many times as you would like until you have the refinements that you need. To download this image, hover over it and click the download full size button. If you want to rerun this image, you can click the redo button here.
If you like the video, please like the video and subscribe down below if you want to see future content just like this. If you want to support the channel further, check out the Patreon. It's linked in the description below. Thanks for watching.